Hello, and welcome to AVID. Many of you have taken AVID before, but for some of you, this is your first AVID class. AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. Fundamentally, it is the belief that you can do whatever you set your mind to. With enough hard work, with enough skill, you can achieve whatever you need and want to achieve. This is intended to be a 4-year program. Now, what that means is that ideally, your peers, the other students in this class, will follow with you until you guys are all seniors. And that means that there's this group that you can trust, that you can work with, and that you can rely on. And so it's not going to be that there's a few strangers every year as you go forward. You actually get to have this group of people that you trust. Despite the unique position that we're all in, even though we can't see each other, Google Meets, Canvas, email are all ways that we can work around that, and we can start building that trust. We can start building that understanding so we can help each other master and achieve what we need to do by the time that we're graduating high school. Not all of you want to go to college, and I understand that and I support that. But the purpose of this class and why we cover so many college skills is that, one, high school, by its structure, is biased towards college-like classes. The delivery of the information through lecture and other methods is the fastest and most efficient form, so your teachers can get through the most, so that's what colleges use as well. And those sorts of details help you be successful. So then by the time that you get to your graduation year, you're choosing not to go to college and pursue another path rather than having that choice made for you. And that is part of that advancement via individual determination. You get to determine what you want to do, not someone else. With that being said, we'll be able to pull this off by using the tools that we have on hand, Canvas being one of them. I plan to deliver lessons through Canvas, have all of our materials on Canvas, have all of the other instructional pieces on Canvas. So Canvas is the place where you're going to first. Primarily, modules is where you're going to have and be able to find all of those things organized by week. So every week will be a new module with the content for that week. And the only other place that you'll have to look as it stands right now is the Announcements tab. The Announcements tab is where I'm going to put, at least for the moment, all of the live synchronous Google Meet links. And so those will be appearing shortly before the actual Google Meet starts. So when you're ready to log in, go ahead and go to the Google Meet by accessing the announcement that will have the link available in it. Other than that, I'm really anticipating that it's going to be structured where at the beginning of the week there's these videos that can help provide some instruction or help provide some direction. You'll have some time to work on it during the week, and then us as a class will meet at the end of the week to debrief, to talk about things. We'll be doing tutorials, and so the end of the week is where we'll be able to do some of those tutorial-like things, and then hopefully it's a structure that'll be able to work with you guys. Because this is a 4-year course, or intended to be 4 years, this class will be able to evolve with your needs. And so as I get to know who you are and as you get to know who I am, we'll be able to craft this class to be what you guys need it to be. And we'll be able to make adjustments and talk about different content and really explore where this class can go in a way that's going to be most useful to you. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys in our synchronous session, and I know you guys are going to rock this first week's lessons. You're going to knock it out of the ballpark, and I look forward to seeing what boring facts you guys end up typing up. Anyway, see you all soon. Looking forward to having you in the class this year.